Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
What's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, we want people to take a walk. OK， 就是好好走一走吧。
En 來去行行啊啦。
En來去行行啊啦，行行啊啦。That's very easy to catch, right, with your ears. 行行啊啦就是走一走吧。Okay, have a little walk. All right, for those who study a lot, 我们今天针对学生好了。念书呢，几个小时后真的也是会累。其实也蛮建议说，念两三个小时的书之后，应该休息一下。对。You're supposed to take some rest anyways when you're studying for a long period of time. Okay, 所以我们就来揣摩一下两个学生，我们回到学生时代了。
OK
已经念了2个小时的书了 ，OK? That means we've been studying for 2 hours.
已經讀2點鐘嘅書咧。
已經讀2點鐘嘅書咧。Okay, that means we've been studying for 2 hours. 已經就是已經了。That means we've been already. 然後書就是書 books. All right? And so the response is yes. Oh my goodness, my eyes are tired. Right? 是啊，眼睛好累哦。
錯啊，目珠很缺喲。
錯啊，目珠很缺喲。哦，目珠就是这个目珠
了，
对不对？就是眼睛了哦。That means the eyes. 目珠很缺喲，
就是好累。
好累哦。缺 that means I'm so tired.
那眼睛还不强，目珠。
目珠 okay, that's a different dialect for your eyes. And when your eyes are so tired, you really should take a walk. Maybe look at the scenery, go out and watch some greens, if you will. 我们都会说到外面去看绿色的这个树啊、草啊，会对眼睛好一点，对不对？
对。
好，所以我们就走一走，透透气吧。
En 來去行行啊啦。
En 來去行行啊啦。
跳一下戲啦。
跳一下戲啦。再一次。
跳一下戲啦。
跳一下戲啦。OK, 跳一下就是透一下气这样子。
气就是气咯。
气 OK, that means go out, have a breather, take a walk basically. All right, let's review some of these terms right here. The book, 书 okay, and then your eyes, 眼睛目珠 and then so tired, 好累
很缺喲。
好累齁，很缺喲 and take a breather, 透透气
跳一下戲啦。
跳一下戲啦 and it's all about taking a walk, taking some rest so you can do more. It's let's go and take a walk. 我们去走一走吧。
En 來去行行啊啦。
En 來去行行啊啦。And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是冇大家。
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.